Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the mass airflow sensor on a Nissan Rogue, easy method. Start by disconnecting the negative battery, then locate the MAF in the intake tube and unclip its electrical connector. Loosen clamps carefully and withdraw the sensor without twisting. Swap in the new sensor in the same orientation, tighten clamps snugly, reconnect the plug, and reconnect the battery before testing. We need a few basic tools to make this job quick and safe. Grab an 8mm or 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and a replacement MAF sensor matched to your Rogue. Consider MAF cleaner spray and nitrile gloves to avoid contaminating the new sensor. Keep an OBD2 reader handy to clear codes and verify the repair. Work on a cool engine and park on level ground for safety. Allow time for inspection. Quick recommendation: if you want your car to smell great after working under the hood, try Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily. Short, funny tip: clean hands before handling it to avoid transferring grease to the tree. Now let's get back to the video. With tools ready, follow safe removal steps. Disconnect the negative battery to protect electronics, then unclip the MAF electrical connector. Loosen the intake clamp, S, and gently withdraw the MAF sensor from the air tube without twisting aggressively. Inspect the mating surface and replace any torn boots or clamps. Install the new sensor in the same orientation, tighten clamps snugly, reconnect the electrical plug, and reconnect the battery before testing. Then clear codes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.